So before this video gets started, if you're looking for a way to start making money, there's an awesome way to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing now for over 5 years. And guys, I've been making, look at this, over $10,000 per month. This is on just one of my several YouTube channels. And as you can see, I've made over 50,000 bucks just this year so far, and it's only May. And then if you go to last year, oh gosh, I made over $120,000 just on one channel. That's over $10,000 a month. And this allowed me to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now here in Southern California. And for the first time ever, I'm actually teaching you how to create your own faceless YouTube channel so that you can also hopefully start making thousands of dollars a month. And for the first 100 people who sign up, there's a 30-day free trial. You can sign up, try it out. Join, watch the video. There's a 50-minute video teaching you everything you need to know to create your own, giving you ideas and just giving you all the resources to get started. And then there's a group chat where I will be interacting with you and helping you out along the way. So click the link below, join the 30-day free trial, and maybe, it'll change your life just how it did mine. I used to be in massive credit card debt. I worked minimum wage jobs. I worked Uber, I worked Lyft, I worked at selling knives on Cutco. Worked at a bookstore. I did everything, okay? But doing YouTube really, guys, changed my life, and I'm excited to hopefully help some of you guys out too. You don't need any experience, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need a following at all. So click the link below to start your 30-day free trial if you'd like. Otherwise, let's get started with the video. How much does DoorDash pay? Let's see, this is an article. Wow, these are all recent articles.
Yes.
Nice. That's good.
So this person tried delivering on DoorDash to find out how much DoorDash pays.
Yeah, I used to do these videos, these vlogs. I would go out for a full day and see how much I could make doing, like, I did Uber Eats, I did Instacart, Lyft, obviously, Uber, normal Uber, Walmart. I never did DoorDash though, so this was pretty interesting.
Oh, I can do it.
Yeah, that's sick.
And make a vlog. Okay, so this is what they found. And by the way, they worked in a suburb of Baltimore.
Ooh.
This is like your area can kind of your pay can depend on your location. So they made $86 over the course of 3 dashes, and those 3 dashes totaled 6.5 hours.
What? For only 3 deliveries?
So what's 86 divided by 6?
Bro drove in a pickup truck.
Yeah, they put 90 miles on their car at an average rate of 17 mpg with gas going around 360. They racked up $19 in fuel expenses. So after gas expenses, they earned $67, which was also $10.31 per hour.
But he didn't account for 90 miles. Putting 90 miles in your car, that the depreciation is going to go down on your car. You need to account for depreciation and wear and tear, my friends.
Yeah.
So it's really a lot less than 67. It's a lot less than $10 an hour. This is the problem, guys, with doing gig work, is that this is what Uber and Lyft and DoorDash want you to think you're making. They want you to only take into account gas. They don't want you to, oh yeah, wear and tear, depreciation, maintenance. They don't want you to think about, because those, you're going to have to repair your car if you're driving so much.
Yeah.
It adds up for sure. So do you think it's worth it at $10 an hour, $10.31 an hour?
No.
No?
No, you can just work at McDonald's and make more, like double that.
Well, not in California. I mean, only in California though.
Oh, okay. In Maryland, minimum wage is $15. So.
And they're saying it's not as flexible, but like, is it though? Because he had to drive 6.5 hours. I don't know how flexible you can be with having to work 7 hours.
Yeah, you know what I don't understand? There are so many people who are like, oh, I don't want to give in to corporate America or whatever. Like, I don't want to work a 9 to 5. But then they're literally driving 12 hours a day, like 6 days a week. So it's like you might as well just work a regular job if you're going to be working those crazy hours. Like,
no, for real. Yeah. So anyways, that's how much he worked doing DoorDash, $10 an hour in Maryland. This just happened recently, so this is very up to date. Comment below how much you make doing DoorDash and if you would drive for $10 an hour. Customer tips made up half of his earnings. That's crazy. So if he didn't get any tips, he would have only been making $5 an hour.
wow.